Hi everyone, this is Tony and welcome to my GameDevLog channel. A little bit over a year ago, my friend and I decided to start game development. For our first prototype, we built a very simple, turn-based battle system on top of a hex grid. As you can see, there were no graphics in the first iteration of the game. The next iteration of the prototype featured new graphics for the player character. The next area to focus on was the background. We squished hexagons to appear more isometric. We added background texture, some decals on the map to make it feel more alive, and some decals were actually impassable, so that required revamping the pathfinding system to block you from going to certain areas. Last prototype features a simple game UI, AI-controlled characters, new assets, and import from the tiled map editor. As the game grew in complexity, developing and testing features in isolation became a strong requirement. As an example, it was easier to test animation import and rendering on a separate screen, rather than on the game surface itself. The code is the same, which increases our confidence in using it in the main game. Another tool was built for testing gameplay elements in a much smaller environment. This makes it easier to test AI and other gameplay elements without having the full game and the full UI. The random map generator tool allows you to preview different stages of generating a map, to tweak the values, to see how it will all look like with a grid in the end, and also to share the values with the developer. Visual effects can also be developed and tested in isolation. For example, post-processing effects on the character, like tint color and outline, can be developed in a small tool before integrating back into the main engine. Having such tools at your disposal is invaluable because they increase the overall productivity while developing the game and the game engine. In the future episodes, we will talk more about how to build such tools. If you enjoy this content, please hit like, and if you want to follow me on this journey, subscribe, and see you in the future episodes.